Hello miniatures fans, welcome back to my channel, Gold Rush Bay. In my last video, I promised to show designs for a church in HO scale. Now this is a classic Gothic church. It does have Gothic elements that are classic, like this apse and transept design. But missing from a lot of churches nowadays in the miniature community are expansive stained glass windows that are diaphanous that allow light through. So I wanted to put as many stained glass windows as possible. There are stained glass windows on the front, on the back, and of course on the sides. Also, I like flying buttresses a lot. So I put them on both sides, and I like the clerestory window effect in between, allowing light to shine through. The main point of this design was to make it as transparent as possible. Again, light comes through these windows, but also if you're looking at it from the outside, you should be able to see the interior details of this building. And like my other designs, I actually created a built-in hinge system. Now this comes already assembled and built, but what the hinge system allows you to do is to modify the interiors as you see fit. Now originally, I designed the entire structure along with interiors as one solid piece. But a lot of the feedback that I got was they weren't able to get their fingers inside and paint the windows. So I wanted to make it so that the interiors can slide right out. And you can actually modify this piece, you can paint it whatever color you want, and also paint your stained glass windows however you want. You can also pull out these miniature pieces like this altar, and you can make little dioramas out of it. Can you imagine trying to paint all these interiors without being able to pull this out? I mean, the pews are detailed enough without having to get your fingers in there to provide color. So this helps get the structure modified, but also to light it, I created these rafters here that allows you to either attach lighting to it or just leave it as is. Either way, I want it to be as modifiable as possible. Again, this building is available in HO scale along with my other Victorian buildings at goldrushbay.com. I hope you like this video, like this design, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel to get more Victorian miniature structures. And happy modeling.